Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. I hope you all are doing well. So here we will discuss data types in Java. A data type or a simply type is a classification identifying the one of the various types of data such as real, integer, boolean that determines the possible value for that type and the operation that can be done on the values of that type. Suppose we have to do the addition of two numbers. Okay, so 2 plus 3 equals to 5. But we need to give the data type for that number 2 and the 5, which may be the integer, which may be the string, which may be float. So we have to mention the data type of that number. So here we will see the different data types like the character data type which stores 2 byte of data, byte data type which stored 1 byte of data, short which stores 2 byte of data, int which stores 4 byte of data, long stores 8 byte of data, float stores 4 byte of data, and double stores 8 byte of data. So, uh, related to the data type, there is one important concept which is a typecasting. So, what is a typecasting? The process of converting the one data type to the another is called as casting. It means assigning the value of one type to the variable of another type is known as a typecasting. Means suppose like we have to convert the double data type into the integer data type, or we have to convert the integer data type into double data type. That is nothing but the typecasting, right? There are two types of typecasting. First one is widening casting and second one is narrowing casting. So here we will see in detail so what exactly it is. First of all we will see widening casting, right? A data type of lower size is assigned to the data type of higher size. This is implicitly done by the JVM. It means what? Means the lower size is assigned to the data type of higher size. Means the data type which having the lower size which will assign to the data type of higher size. And this type casting is takes place when there are two conditions, when that conditions are made at the time widening casting will takes place. First one is the two types are compatible. Okay, compatible, it means they are able to come together without any problem. Okay, and the second one is the target type is larger than the source type. Means the target is, it is nothing but the destination. Means the destination should be the larger than the source type. So here it is an example is given. So first of all we will see example. Okay, so integer x. So as we know, integer it is of 4 byte. Okay, and double it is of 8 byte. So integer x stores the 10, and the double stores, and the double it is of 8 byte which stores the x. Means the lower size is assigned to the higher size, right? That is nothing but the widening casting, and at the end we print the double value as in double data type. And here the widening casting means the like the byte which stores the 1 byte of data, then the byte data will be stored in short, then the short data will store in the integer, integer data will be stored in the long, and the long data will be stored in the float, float data will be stored in the double. It's not in the same order, but we can store the short data into the double. We can directly use that rest of all the data type. So next we will see narrowing casting. In the widening casting, as we see, what we see, lower size are assigned to the higher size. But in the narrowing casting, the higher size is assigned to the lower size. Means the both are the vice versa. Then Here, when you are assigning the larger type of value to the variable of a smaller type, then we need to perform the explicit typecasting. Mean in narrowing casting, data type of higher size cannot be assigned to the data type of an lower size. Okay, this is not done implicitly by the JVM. It requires the explicit casting, and the higher size is narrowed to the lower size. So here we will see the example of narrowing casting. Double double x stores the 10.5, which is of 8 bytes, and which x is assigned to the integer data type, and which stores the 4 byte of data. That is nothing but the narrowing casting. In narrowing casting, that is a larger type of values assigned to the variable of smaller type, and for that purpose we need to perform the explicit typecasting, but in widening casting we don't need to perform the explicit typecasting. So one of the main concept in Java is Java operators, right? Java provides a rich set of operator, as we know, and there are different types of operator like the arithmetic operator, relation operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, and the special purpose operator. Yeah. And all these operator we will see one by one. First of all, we will see arithmetic operator. So as we know, arithmetic operator, it means we perform all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here is all that, like addition, it is used to add some two operands. Subtraction, it subtracts the second operand from the first, um, means the element which is having the higher value from the lower value. Then the multiplication, it is used to multiply the two operands. Division, it divides the numerator by denominator. Then this is the modulus, which is the remainder of an division. Then plus, it is an increment operator which increases the integer value by 1. This is a decrement operator which decreases the integer value by 1. The next one is relational operator. Relational operator which shows the relation between the operands. So here double equals to. It means it checks if two operands are equal, not equal to. It checks if the two operands are not equal. This is the greater than symbol. Check if greater than operator. Check if operand on the left is greater than operand on the right. This is the smaller operator. Check if the operand on the left is smaller than the right operand. This is the greater than or equal to. It checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand, and this is the smaller than or equal to. It checks if the operand on the left is smaller than or equal to the right of operand. These are the really simple operators whenever we will perform it in the program. So at the time when we use it in the real time program, at the time we will use it in better way. We learn and understand it in a better way. Now we will see logical operator. There are three logical operators, that is logical and logical or and the logical not. For the logical and operator, the two conditions should be the true, and then only it will provide output as a true. If the any of the condition is false, then it will provide a false. In the logical or, both the condition if both the condition are true, then it will also provide the true, and if the any of the condition is true, then it will also provide true. This is a logical not operator. The next one is bitwise operator. In the bitwise operator, these are the some operators like bitwise and bitwise odd, bitwise exclusive, or left shift, right shift. Next, we will see the assignment operator. Equals to, it assigns a value from the right side operand to the left side operand. Means the right side operand value is stored into the left side operand. Plus equals to, it adds the right side operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left. It subtracts the right side operand from the left operand and assigns the value to the, means assign the result, that is the final output, to the left side of operand. Then the next one, multiply the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. Then the next operator is divides equals to, divides the left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. Then the next operator, modulo equals to, which calculates the modulus using two operands and assign the result to the left operand. Then the next and the last one is a conditional operator. It is also known as a ternary operator and it is used to evaluate the Boolean expression. Boolean expression, it means it returns a value in the form of true and false. Suppose here the condition is given, expression, I mean the one expression is given, and if the condition is true, then it will execute this part, means it will execute the expression 2, and if the condition is false, then it will execute the expression 3. This is nothing but the conditional operator.